Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we will be rebuilding the... I don't know yet. We're gonna see real quick. Let's do the options. Injuries off. This needs to be off. Stepien rule off. Can we turn off untouchables? I think we have to select all teams to do that. But let's randomly pick a team, I suppose. The Knicks. You know what we're actually gonna do? I want to do a hard one. The Timberwolves. Yes, we will do the Timberwolves. So we are the Timberwolves. So, but what we're gonna do is take control of all the teams, and then I'm off camera. I'm gonna go over and fix all of it. I actually so there's no untouchables, and it makes it much more fun. That's what we're about around here. We're about fun. We are the... Actually, so what I need to do is go over to automation, and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We are now just the Timberwolves. But yeah, let's take a look at their roster. On paper, they're good, but in reality, they're not. So I think what we need to do is build around Anthony Edwards. This might be multi-year since I got my editing software back. It's much easier to make these videos. But I think it's time we, instead of building around Cat and D'Lo, we build around Anthony Edwards. Actually, give me 1 second. I pulled a really good Anthony Edwards card later. I will grab that and show it to y'all right now. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. These are all my Cade rookie cards. I've got a good Evan Mobley card. There we go. But this is the good one, bro. Rookie Anthony Edwards. Just pulled him yesterday. Let me know if y'all want me to do some card opening videos. I'd love to bring guests on and do that. That'd be so fun. It is expensive. Don't get me wrong, it is expensive. But it'd be fun. Let me put these back in the safe drawer. And let's get back to look at these deals for Cat. I like this deal. Let me tell you why I like this deal. He'd be great next to Anthony Edwards. Great lob threat, a great rebounder. Bam, and a... Ooh. We got Bam. So it's Bam, Ant. Russell and Beverly need to go. This first year we might suck. Oh, wait, why would I have to give them the Lakers a first round pick for this? They should be giving me first round picks. I will do this deal if they'll give me this Nets pick. No, not for Josh Okogie. No, I'm not going to do that one. You know what? I'm going to do this deal just because it's expiring deal. Markelle makes a lot less, and they're really similar in overall. And I just like Markelle Fultz more. I think he'd be great next to Anthony Edwards. Great playmaker. I'm not a big fan of Malik Beasley. We'll see what I can get for him. What about any other guys on this team? He needs to go. And Gary Harris. Okay, just these two then. Kevin Love, we can bring him back to Minnesota while we kind of are rebuilding. Let's do that. Let's bring back Kevin Love. So the lineup is Fultz, Edwards, McDaniels, Love, Adebayo. And not even a bad bench either. Let's simulate to the trade deadline. Let's simulate to the trade deadline. I know a lot of Minnesota fans that would, probably the 1 or 2 that will watch this are fuming that I just traded D'Lo and Cat. That's not a bad deal, but I'm going to say no. No. Alright, so far we're playing pretty good. No. Bro, why is everyone trying to get Markelle now? Huh? Yeah, always handle Oh, wow. They really out here offering this? I like Bam better, man. I like Bam better. Rudy can't score and he's bad in the playoffs. Nope. Alright, so we're coming back down to earth. Yeah. You beat the Lakers. Yeah, we're starting to come back down to earth where we should be. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try to do something. Come on. Jaden McDaniels. Oh crap, they value him a lot. Jeremiah Robinson Earl. I would give up 3 firsts for Shea. Nope. Oh, this is tough because that's a really good deal. I'm going to decline it. I don't want to do too many trades in one season. I think around 4 to 5 trades in this game is good enough. I kind of be dumb not to take this. I'm going to take that. That's a solid deal, man. Yeah, that's actually a really solid deal. How's Markel is putting up career numbers. Ant, great. Bam. I mean, I'm not sold on Bam. I just liked him over Gobert more. Ooh. Oh, they have him back at power forward, though. I really do like that deal. And that deal. These 2 deals are really good. Like, really good. John Wall is a 6-man. If a guy could get Shea, too. This is really hard. Carson Markel is just doing great. I'm gonna do this deal. Yeah, I'm actually gonna have TJ Warren. Yeah, I'm gonna have TJ Warren be the power forward. And I want Kyle Anderson to be our 6-man. I guess we have too many power forward minutes. I don't know. But yeah, this team is nice. Do we have any contract extensions we have to do? Sure. We will definitely trade him. Josh Okogie won't resign? Well then, Josh Okogie, you, sir, are getting booted to a team that will want you. Ooh. Wait, Josh Okogie's in a power forward? Hang on a second. What? Oh my god, 2K. No, he doesn't play power forward. He's 6'4". That's insanity, 2K. Come on. Y'all gotta be better than that. This is a good deal. Ooh. Is Jalen last year of his contract, though? Yeah, Dallas needs to re-sign him. I don't see much that I like, except for that one deal. What if... I just want to see... I like that deal. Ooh, Davion Mitchell. Cole Anthony and... Once again, Markelle Fultz lost his starting job to Cole Anthony. But he's going to be a great bench guard. I want to still give him similar minutes, though. So Kyle Anderson, you can have like 20 a game. I still want Markelle getting like 30-something. Yeah, I want Markel to get 30 and him to get... Oh, Jonathan Isaac needs more minutes. So does Dylan Brooks. Yeah, I did too many trades. But let's see. I did. Simulate regular season. No. No. Absolutely not. Okay, well, I'm gonna be honest. We might suck. I'll see y'all at the end of the year. All right, so we're back. We went an abysmal 34-46. That is not good. Jokic won MVP. Well deserved. Jesus Christ, those are good numbers. Evan Mobley, Rookie of the Year. Drummond, 6-man. Yeah. Oh, wow. Ja. But did we have any Minnesota Timberwolves? Absolutely not. Dallas was the 10th seed. Yeah. Jesus Christ. This is insane. If they didn't even make the playoffs, well, that sucks for Dallas. Maybe I trade... Oh, 76 is one, by the way. Let's see. Retirements. Okay. League meetings. Reject everything. Draft lottery. So we didn't make the playoffs. Our pick is... We're the 10th pick. Oh, I thought they jumped up with our pick and I got scared. No, we lost the 10th pick. But we did get Cole Anthony and Jonathan Isaac. You are fired. We're gonna get Pop the bag. We gave Popovich the bag. When I say the bag, I mean the bag. Oh, he's awful too. No, I need A trading. Very good. Alright. NBA draft. We're definitely going to be doing some moves. Probably centered around these guys, like the bottom tier guys. Okay, Boston. Thanks. Both of them. Actually, Jaden McDaniels was their pick, right? Yeah, I'll keep Jaden McDaniels. Thanks, Miami. Yeah, we're just gonna be out here robbing teams for the foreseeable future. Let's see, what pick can I get? Oh, I have to give him a pick. I kind of want cap dumps because there's a certain guy I really want in free agency. No, I don't know. Who's making a lot of money on our team? Miles and Jonathan Isaac. Two defensive studs. Whoever I trade this team to needs to have a good bad defense. Get D'Lo back. Well, how did D'Lo do last year? That's a good question. 17. He did worse in Orlando, where he was probably the guy. Can I just get like some first round picks? Wait, who's in this draft class? That's a good question. Chet Holmgren. I am going to see what team has the number 1 pick. And I think I'm going to try to trade it. The Knicks. 3 second rounders. Miles Turner. Jonathan Isaac. I know y'all have bad contracts that I can take on. Alright, and a first. Okay. We're probably gonna have to give them multiple firsts. Yeah, no. They're not gonna trade it. Miles Turner just by himself. I really just want like picks or just like this isn't a bad deal. I'm actually willing to do this. I don't want that. I'll give you 2 seconds. I don't want Shetty Osman. I'll give you 3 seconds. I don't want Shetty Osman. I'm not giving you a first. Hey, Jared Allen. That's the guy who I wanted in the first place. Cole Anthony, I think, is a great point guard next to Anthony Edwards. Wait, Anthony Edwards is 6'6". Come on, 2K. Dude, you can't be that dumb. He's 6'6" now. That was like a thing over the summer. Jonathan Isaac, I don't think is that great in this game. But what can I get for him? Oh, wait, Boston. Wait, how good is Boston? We might make Boston really good. We might have to meet them in the finals. But I know I said I really liked Markelle too. But if the deal's out there, to the Lakers for 2 picks, yes. I think y'all know what I'm going to do. I'm just getting it prepped with a lot of picks because we are going to need them. Come on. I don't know if we have enough. Yeah, because teams will give up a first for Jay Crowder. Brooklyn. There we go. Thank you, Brooklyn. How many picks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 first-round picks. If I can't pull off a deal for a superstar alongside Anthony Edwards, I'm a fraud. Duncan. And Dylan Brooks. I think I know who I want to go after. Oh, he got an extension, didn't he? Yeah, he did. I think so. Come on, 2K. All right, so a pick, 4 first rounders. Okay, so maybe not Dylan Brooks, maybe Cole Anthony. Damn, you're kidding, ain't you? You're kidding. Am I not even gonna be able to get him? Dude, that's a lot for Dame. SGA? I don't want to give up Cole Anthony for SGA. There, SGA. My friend Will's going to be pissed that I took SGA. Yeah, Cole Anthony's going to be a 6-man. For that price, he's definitely a 6-man. Unless I can package him with 2 first rounders and get it for something really good. De'Aaron Fox. I'd rather have a... This isn't bad, because OG is really good, but I trade for OG a lot. I kind of just don't want to with this. I mean, I might even not win a championship with Minnesota. I mean, you never know. Oh yeah, we had the second to last pick in the draft. Oh, it's all ass. Anybody want it? How about 2 second rounders? Thanks for downloading. That's funny. Yeah, give me 2 future seconds. That's fine. The Lakers can have a 40 overall player. No rookies. I do not want Denzel Valentine anywhere near my team. How much cap do we have? Ooh, yeah, release. Big release. Yeah, we're releasing all of them. Nope, don't want either of them. Like I said, we're just here to have fun. Who did I want to go after again? Oh, yeah. Miles. And where is he? Yeah, oh, did he get re-signed? He did. Dang it. Alright, let's see what Miles... Damn, they matched it? That's ass. What you mean I can't afford Kyrie Irving, bro? Ugh. I don't want to get Captain COVID. Good air on this. I don't know. That sucks. But we do have cap room to where we can make a trade for something. Damn. Let's see if I can trade for him. Wow, they traded Draymond here. Where is he? Did he get traded? Did he really get traded? Oh no, there he is. I forgot. I honestly forgot he re-signed. I'm willing to give you 3 first-round picks, 4 first-round picks, a second, another second. We're at the point of the video where I'm just attaching picks. They don't take 5 first-round picks for Brandon Ingram. This game, I swear. I guess we're gonna go out and get my... No, we already traded for Shea. I want to crush my friend Will's dreams. Ooh, I will give y'all 2 first-round picks. I'll even give you 3. A second. Another second. A third second. Alright. I'll give you another first. You're kidding. You're kidding. What is the point of picks if I can't trade 5 first-round picks for my... 2K. This is just not okay. This is just not okay, 2K. Feels like that happened all the time. I guess I actually... You know what I'll do? I'm just gonna have to sign free agents and trade them. Like Nurkic, here's a contract. Harrell, here's a contract. Robinson, here's a contract. Y'all both signed? Cool, guess what? I'm trading you. For superstars. Let's see, what superstar do we want? Yeah, we gotta have a shooting guard. I want kind of a big guy. I got Anthony Davis in their last rebuild. Ooh, who do we go for? We already traded for Bam once. Can't get Jokic. Who do I go for then? You know what? Maybe I can try to finesse LaMelo. Give him Nurkic and Harrell. They value them the same. Okay. 5 first-round picks. LaMelo Ball. No, absolutely not. Not gonna happen. Giannis. Oh, we can't afford Giannis. I will give y'all Montrezl Harrell. So those kind of contracts we need Montrezl with. You know, we're gonna try with every superstar. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Wow, this is annoying. Scotty Barnes is an 84 already? Damn. Oh yeah, he makes too little of money. What if I did trade Zion? Or trade for Zion? Alright, I'll give you a better first rounder. The Celtics first rounder. See, this is why 2K pisses me off. AD? I mean, I know I don't like trading for the same players over and over again. Wow, this is something. This is something. You know, what would they want? Bro, what is this? You know what? We could go and get Ben Simmons. I could make a deal for Ben. Because we've got the cap space, have Nurkic and Harrell for him. Nurkic, Harrell first. Easy. Just got Ben Simmons? Yes, he's playing the small forward position. So our lineup is Shea, Ant, Ben. So we need power forward. He definitely needs to shoot. I have an idea of who to get. It's going to piss off my uncle and myself, but I think he'd be kind of perfect. I think we can take on the cap room. Or do I need to go sign someone else real quick? I think I need to go sign someone else real quick. I mean, at least we can do is sign somebody the Mavericks would probably want in return. In fact, honestly, if we get Mo Bamba, I might keep him. Damn you, Orlando! No, I'm not paying Pat Bev that much. What do the Mavericks need? The Mavericks need... The Mavericks need Otto Porter. Come on. Okay. Yeah, the Mavericks need Otto Porter. Go on, Otto Porter. You're heading to Dallas with a bunch of first-round picks for my boy KP. What? Ah, 20 mil more. Oh, wait, Jesus. I forgot the scale of Ben Simmons' contract. Yeah, F Ben Simmons, bro. I'm going after a bigger bait. 1, 2, 3, 4. This Boston pick is basically garbage. Damn it. This is annoying, dude. Can I trade for Zion and Valanciunas? How about Valanciunas and Ingram? Valanciunas and Ingram. This is starting to annoy me tremendously. Oh, wait. They matched it. They matched our contract with them. For 20 mil. Let's do a sign and trade. You can give us Kelly Oubre. And I will throw you a plethora of first rounders. Yes. That's what I want. They're perfect. We actually got a good backup small forward too. We can actually trade Otto Porter. Actually, we might be able to trade both of them and another first for something great. The guy we wanted. Let's go. So now our team is looking good at point guard. Good at shooting guard, small forward, power forward. So we need a backup shooting guard, small forward, and power forward, basically. I want guys that somewhat match our system. Whiteside. Kyle Anderson. Yeah, we got Kyle. Now let's go get, like, Pat Connaughton, bro. Hang on. Oh, I can't look at him? Ah, that sucks. Okay, this team is, like, tremendously better. We did a lot of deals. A lot. This is already 18 minutes long, and we're only in, like, the first this season. Or first off season. Training camps. I'm gonna do this because we might boot him. We might trade him and Jared Allen for a star. Because I'm kind of thinking that might be the way to go. Until I have a look at our stuff. Shea, Ant, Miles, Kyle, and Jarrett. Oh no, bro, Miles Bridges is our starting power forward. You're insane. Then we have a really good bench. The bench is like really good. Yeah, I'm gonna look to trade Jared Allen and his bigger contract. Jared Allen 2 first. What can that get me? I saw Clint and a good backup center. I would want a backup center to go with it. Ayton? Let's see. 15 and 10. 12 and 13. What if instead of a pick, I put Pat Connaughton in there with him. Looking like we're getting the same offers. Yeah, I think I like to trade better over here. Where is it? Yeah, I like this deal better. Yeah, that's just really annoying, dude. No, okay. So this is how my bench is played. My bench players get 20 minutes each. At Connaughton, you get no minutes. And then all my starters get 30. And we'll give Pat Connaughton 10. Actually, I think we can do this. Then we're going to go 16. And more minutes for Cole. Alright, let's simulate to the trade deadline. You know what? Decline deal. Hang on. Ooh, we got just obliterated by the Warriors. Oh my god, come on. I'm disabling the CPU deals. Let's just watch us hopefully be good. 10 and we're starting off better than last year, that's for sure. Alright, okay. Alright, we might build a good team, man. But if we're going under the Phil Jackson theory, if we get to 40 wins before 20 losses, we're a contender. You know, I just said that we're going to hit 20 losses before. Watch. So, at the trade deadline, we're 39 and 17. How are the boys doing? Shea, 21. Ant, 21. Valanciunas, great numbers. Miles, great numbers. Cole Anthony, 6 Man of the Year numbers. Mikal Bridges. You know what? This team is just good. I like this team. And I think this is the year. Oh, wait. Let me double check and make sure. Who is a free agent on this team? Ah, damn. So, we only have 1 year Valanciunas left. But we'll figure it out. It's not it's a good problem to have. Hopefully he'll want to resign. We were playing extremely well, man. We're a 50-win team. Luka MVP, well deserved. Chet Holmgren. Nurk. Same dudes. Any Minnesota Timberwolves? No. We're the 1 seed, bro. No, why do we have to face freaking Phoenix, bro? Oh, that sucks. Alright. I won't say nothing. Jonas Valanciunas, guys, a triple-double. That's insane, bro. Alright, and y'all know what we do. We jump into the games if they're really close or if they're really good. Let's go. Come on. Let's beat them in Phoenix. No, we didn't. Alright, good first half. 3-1? Let's see what's happening. Go home. Bye-bye, Suns. Bye-bye, Suns. Damn, no, we had to face Luka. Who is Mark Williams? I do not know who that man is. Alright. Okay. Oh. We might have to make a game plan to stop Luka. Yeah, we got to make a game plan to stop Luka. And I think I know what the game plan is. Smother, tight ball, and we need to go over on all the screens. Luka, I want guarded by Anthony Edwards. Now let's see what happens. We're in Dallas, dude. They clippered us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Bring some life into this team. Come on. This is the only time we're... Oh, Jesus. Oh, wait. Yes. Let's go. Okay, come on. Let's go. Oh, let's go. 7-point game. 3-point game. Yes! Let's go. We beat Luka. Which is hard in this game. Oof. This is a weird matchup. The Clippers. Oh. Oh, wait. Ugh. Come on. Can we make a little bit of a comeback? Nope. Who's on their team? Let's see. TJ McConnell. Oh, what? What? Our team is better overall. What happened? I don't know. Terrence Mann just had a good game. Maybe it's just Terrence Mann. Maybe that's their key piece. Oh, Jesus. 1x10. Nice ball. Nice ball playing, boys. Ooh, it's getting 1x10 again. Hopefully this could be only like a 30-minute video. That'd be awesome. That would be cool. Hope then maybe the Minnesota front office will see this and then they'll know what to do with their team. All right, let's not get too cocky. All right, we're in the finals against Cleveland. We are better than Cleveland. No, I didn't want to do that, but we swept Cleveland. SGA. Finals MVP. So there we go, Minnesota fans, and one of my good friends, Christian. I got your team a chip, man. You respect. Go ahead and leave a comment, Christian. Let me know. Let me know you saw the video, because I was thinking about you when I did this. That's why I kept Anthony Edwards. And see, all they have to do is build around Anthony Edwards, and look what happens. You'll win a championship in 2 years. Yeah, this team was just fun. Cole Anthony has got to be one of the best 6-man to win a championship ever. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was fun to make. I'm probably about to record another one. Probably with the Kings. No, it's Eastern Conference team. Orlando. I'm going to do Orlando next. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.